Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. This Porter cable router had a problem with the latching mechanism, and I managed to fix it by putting a helicoil in this little piece. But Scoutcrafter came up with a good idea. A bicycle seat clamp. Now this isn't a bicycle seat clamp, but it works. I'll show you what I did. Let's try it and see what happens. Now I inserted a helicoil into this so that the threads would work. And he suggested using a bicycle seat clamp. Well, this isn't a bicycle seat clamp. This is off a wheelchair. But I think it might just do the same thing. We'll see. I'll leave that thing off of there so I can get this up closer. And we'll run this down. Gonna make a difference if I can get this nut on far enough. Like that. Well, it definitely does latch down. Look at that. That's pretty clever. It'd be nice if this bent down a little further, but you know, you can't have everything. Oh, that's going to work great. I can pick up another one of these and I'll see if that's ductile. I don't want to break this one, but I'll see if that's ductile enough to bend that down into a hook so that it comes over here and just lays nice and flat against this. That's pretty cool. Well, thanks, John. That was a great idea. Now I have a spare one in case somebody needs one. I don't know exactly what piece this is off of a wheelchair. Some kind of an adapter handle or something. They had a bin full of spare parts for wheelchairs down at the Habitat for Humanity. So this little bicycle seat type clamp was laying in there. Man, it works pretty good. Well, that was a complete success. If you have a suggestion like John's for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.